Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that potatoes actually have eyes? You can see these eyes are the small buds you notice on the surface of the potato. They're not real eyes like humans or animals have, but they are special growth points from which new potato plant can sprout. Each eye has the potential to grow into a new plant when placed in soil. From these eyes, shoots and roots develop, leading to an entirely new potato plant. So, next time when you peel or cook potato, take a closer look at these little eyes, if any. We should not eat sprouted potatoes because the sprouts and green part contain high level of toxic glycoalkaloids like solanine, which can cause gastrointestinal issue like nausea, vomiting or cramps. Even cooking doesn't destroy these toxins, so potatoes with long sprouts or green tint should be discarded entirely to avoid poisoning. Thank you.